Assalamu alaikum. Hi there, I'm Abdulaziz. In this short video, I'll show you how to install node.js using NVM or Node Version Manager. So let's dive in. First, go to the any uh, browser of your choice, and here it is the repo of Node Version Manager. As you can see, uh, there is a script called uh, which is required to install in your terminal. Let's see, open up the terminal and copy this link. Okay, I'll copy this link to the terminal. Before I copy this script, let's talk about how to install wget, because there might not be in your wget in your system. So let's first install wget. Sudo apt get install wget. It will prompt you for the password, and because I have already installed the wget, so it will not installed anymore. Okay, let's paste the script to the terminal and press enter. It will clone the repo and install the script. Okay, and let's see it is working or not. NVM, because it is installed and it must be restarted. So terminal, I restart the terminal and reopen it again. Let's see, it is okay, it is installed. Now to install node.js, let's see what version are available in the repo. The nvm ls.remote will show you available node version. All the available version will be shown. So let's install. Okay, I mistyped it. nvm, here's the example. You can see that. Okay, let's install nvm install 12.2.0, which is the latest installation version. Now it is downloading the node version 12.2.0. Let's wait for some time. Okay, it is completed. Let's see, it is installed. Okay, it is not now using 12.2.0 version of node. So that's how we'll install node.js in Linux operating system. uh, Before I go, if you like this video, like it or subscribe to the channel, and if you want latest update of this channel or video, click the bell icon. Okay, thank you.